Welcome to our miter-fold drawer box tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to install a miter-fold drawer box into a face frame cabinet. First, let's start off with the drawer slides. In this video, we use Rockler's undermount drawer slide jig. This allows you to quickly and accurately install your Bloom tandem undermount drawer slides. Now, with the drawer slide attached to the jig and the rear bracket attached to the drawer slide, position the drawer slide into the bottom corner of the face frame. You will see on the jig there is a space that allows you to install your first screw from the drawer slide to the face frame. While keeping adequate pressure on the jig, you will add a screw to the back slide bracket. Then, repeat these steps for the other side of the cabinet. Once you have determined that the brackets are properly aligned, install the remaining screws. Now, let's move on to the drawer box. You will want to position the drawer box with the bottom facing you and the notches facing up. Then you will want to position the front fixing clips as seen in the video. With a drill bit or a fix bit, pre-drill for the attachment screws, then install. Finally, we will connect the drawer box to the slides. You will hear and feel a click when it is finally connected to the drawer box clips. And there you have it, a completed and installed miter-fold drawer box for a face frame cabinet.